Affiliate marketing, it's not just a buzzword, it's a real business model that's changing lives. But let's be honest, diving into Amazon affiliate marketing as a beginner, it can feel like drinking from a fire hose. Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, we're breaking it all down step by step so you can go from zero to earning with clarity and purpose. Ready? Let's jump in. First things first, why are you doing this? No, seriously, why? Is this a side hustle? Are you trying to quit your job someday? Or maybe you're just curious about how all this works. Whatever your reason, defining your purpose will shape how you approach affiliate marketing. And remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business. So set clear goals, like, I want to earn $500 a month by my third month, or I want to use this as a stepping stone to bigger digital marketing projects. Write it down. You'll thank yourself later. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. And once you've got your goals in mind, we can start building the foundation. Here's the deal. Amazon affiliate marketing is about promoting products and earning commissions when people buy through your unique links. Picture this. You review a product, let's say a noise-canceling headphone. Someone clicks your link, buys it, or even buys something else while shopping, and boom, you earn a percentage of that sale. It's simple, right? But simple doesn't mean easy. The magic happens when you combine strategy with consistent effort. Let's talk about the first piece of the puzzle, your niche. A niche is a focused topic. And no, everything on Amazon doesn't count. You need to narrow it down. For example, instead of fitness, go with yoga mats for beginners. Instead of tech gadgets, maybe it's home office essentials for remote workers. The trick is to find that sweet spot, something you're passionate about and that's profitable. Check Amazon's commission rates for different categories because not all niches pay the same. And hey, don't overthink this. If your first niche doesn't work, you can pivot. Flexibility is your superpower here. Now that you've got a niche, it's time to build your home base, your website. Start by picking a solid hosting provider like Bluehost or SiteGround. Then, install WordPress. It's easy to use and perfect for beginners. But here's the real game changer, your content. It's what turns visitors into loyal fans, and ultimately, buyers. Think product reviews, comparison guides, and how-to articles. Let's say you're in the tech niche. Write a post comparing the top 5 budget gaming mice. Add your affiliate links naturally, don't force it. Your goal isn't just to sell, it's to help. The more value you provide, the more trust you'll build. And trust? That's what drives clicks and commissions. All right, let's talk logistics. To join Amazon Associates, head to their site, sign up, and provide details about your website. Now here's an important heads up. You'll need to make 3 sales within your first 180 days to stay in the program. So once you're approved, start promoting ASAP. Don't wait. Okay, so you've got a website, but no visitors means no sales. Let's fix that. First up, SEO. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find low-competition keywords. For example, instead of targeting best headphones, go for something like best headphones under $50. Second, social media. Platforms like Pinterest can be gold mines for certain niches. Create visually appealing pins that link back to your blog posts. And don't forget email marketing. Even a small email list can drive consistent traffic back to your site. Tracking your results isn't optional, it's essential. Use Google Analytics to see what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and your top-performing content. Then, double down on what's working. And here's a pro tip. Experiment with small changes like where you place affiliate links or how you phrase your calls to action. Sometimes, little tweaks can make a big difference. Quick reality check. There are a few traps that can derail your progress. 1. Neglecting SEO. Without traffic, even the best content won't make you money. 2. Over-promoting. No one wants to feel like they're reading an infomercial. Lead with value, always. And 3. Giving up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time. Be patient with yourself. Affiliate marketing is a journey, and like any journey, it's all about taking that first step and then the next. So, set your goals, build your website, and most importantly, show up consistently. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, what niche are you thinking about starting with? I'd love to hear from you.